You think insurance protects you. But first, it scores you. Not as a person, as a risk. Your phone, your car, your home, your purchases, your health. Everything becomes a price. Insurance used to ask questions. Your age, your address, your income, your accident history, your medical history. Now there is more data and fewer questions. The system is already watching while you simply live. Here's the problem. Insurance has become prediction. It does not wait for disaster. It guesses before it happens. Who will crash? Who will get sick? Who will flood an apartment? Who will file a claim? Who will cost more? Even before anything happens. The first source is your phone. It knows your routes. It knows your speed. It knows your neighborhoods. It knows late-night trips. It knows your habits. It knows purchases. It knows fatigue. It knows pauses. Insurers care about that. The second source is your car. Modern cars record everything. Hard braking, fast acceleration, late driving, long routes, driver mistakes, even driving style. A discount sounds nice, but surveillance remains. The third source is your home. Smart sensors promise safety. A leak is detected. Smoke is noticed. A door opens. Temperature changes. A camera records movement. That can help, but it also profiles. Your home starts testifying. The fourth source is health. A bracelet counts steps. A watch measures pulse. An app tracks sleep. A scale tracks weight. A pharmacy sees purchases. A clinic sees history. Each signal seems small. Together, they become prediction. Prediction becomes price. This is where it gets worse. Data is not always accurate. The phone may not be yours. Someone else drove the car. The tracker was wrong. The neighborhood was just cheaper. The night trip was work. But algorithms see patterns. Patterns become risk. Risk becomes a bill. Insurers call this fairness. Careful people pay less. Risky people pay more. That sounds logical. But who defines risk? Which data counts? Can you challenge it? Can you fix errors? Can you see the formula? Usually, you cannot. The fifth source is location. Address always affected pricing. Now precision is sharper. Nearby thefts. Nearby crashes. Nearby floods. Nearby fires. Nearby income. Nearby credit profiles. You pay for surroundings. This hits poorer people hardest. Cheap neighborhoods do not stay cheap. Insurance costs more there. Cars are needed more. Work is farther away. Road risk is higher. Homes are older. Wiring is worse. Savings are thinner. The system punishes weakness. The sixth source is work. Couriers drive constantly. Taxi drivers work nights. Builders risk their bodies. Freelancers have unstable income. Migrants change addresses. Parents drive everywhere. Every life has context. Models see categories. Categories cut roughly. Insurance becomes a filter. Not only protection. Expensive insurance blocks cars. It blocks jobs. It blocks mortgages. It blocks rentals. It blocks small businesses. Without coverage, doors close. Without access, growth stops. Risk becomes a wall. Who wins from this? Insurers reduce uncertainty. Platforms sell data. Manufacturers sell sensors. Banks reduce losses. Advertisers find fear. Algorithms sell prediction. Customers receive prices. Sometimes fair. Sometimes impossible to understand. There is also a discount trap. They offer cheaper coverage. Install the app. Connect the car. Share your steps. Allow location. Enable the sensor. Discount now. Data forever. The trade looks smart. But discounts change behavior. You drive more carefully. That can be good. You fear every trip. That becomes control. You avoid neighborhoods. You change routines. You think about ratings. Insurance becomes a supervisor. Through price. Technology is not the enemy. Sensors can save lives. Apps can warn people. Data can reduce accidents. But balance is required. Transparency. Consent. Right to refuse. Right to correct. Right to understand. Without that, black boxes rule. You pay more, but never know why. You are labeled risky, but details stay hidden. Your profile gets worse, but you cannot see it. A sensor made the mistake. You pay for it. That is new injustice. So what can you do? First, read permissions. Why does it need location? Why constant access? Why health data? Why contacts? If answers are vague, refuse. Discounts are not always free. Sometimes privacy pays. Sometimes future prices pay. Second, calculate yearly savings. The discount may be small. The data may be valuable. Compare the amount. Compare the risks. Compare alternatives. Do not agree automatically, especially to constant monitoring. Savings today may become pricing as soon as tomorrow. Third, keep records. Policies, denials, price increases, reasons, messages, app screenshots, accident history, payment history. Records protect you. Fourth, ask for reasons. Why did the price rise? Which data was used? Can it be reviewed? Can data be deleted? Is monitoring optional? Many people never ask, so systems stay silent. Questions create a trail. Trails help disputes. Fifth, separate your devices. Not everything needs connection. Not every sensor helps. Not every app is useful. Not every discount is fair. Keep manual options. Keep offline access. Keep your right to refuse. Smart homes can help. Obedient homes are dangerous. Rules are needed too. Ban hidden factors. Explain decisions. Audit algorithms. Limit discrimination. Guarantee human review. Allow appeals. Allow data portability. Make refusal clear. Without punishment. The future is already arriving. Policies will become dynamic. Prices will feel alive. Profiles will be permanent. Data will become currency. Risk will become reputation. Every choice may be visible. If rules stay unclear, ordinary people lose, even without accidents. The main point is simple. Insurance should share risk, not turn life into ratings. It should protect after disaster, not punish before it. If price depends on everything, freedom also gets expensive, so examine discounts carefully. Cheap policies can be costly. The bill arrives later. If this video helped, subscribe. Here, we explain hidden systems. Share this with someone insured. They may pay more than money. They may pay with data. They may pay with freedom. They may pay future prices. Risk cannot disappear, but systems can be seen, and blindness can end.